สวัสดีค่ะ Welcome back to Speak Thai Like a Local. I'm Baibua, your Thai language coach and coffee time friend.
สวัสดีครับ I'm Lewis. We're so happy you're here. Today's topic might make you smile because it's small, funny, and super Thai. The sound or ngõ.
I love this one. Many Thai learners say, Teacher, I can't say it. My mouth won't move that way. But actually, your mouth can. You just need to know a few tricks.
Right. The sound is cute, but sneaky. It's not from your throat or your lips. It's from the back of your mouth and through your nose.
Mindset, segment 1. Understand the sound.
First, remember, is a nasal sound. That means the air goes out through your nose, not your mouth.
Try this. Place your finger on your nose and say, mm. Feel that little vibration? That's the nasal sound. You're already halfway there.
If you don't feel anything, try closing your mouth gently and humming softly. You'll notice the air moving through your nose instead of your lips.
Mindset, segment 2, tongue position.
Here's where most people get confused. When you say your tongue touches the back of your soft palate, not your teeth.
Exactly. You can think of it like the ending sound in English words sing or song. That's the same position. Now just move it to the beginning of a word, like nga and ngu.
Let's try some examples together. Ngõ, ngu, ngon, กรุงเทพ Technique ที่ 2. The ending warm-up. Start with words that end with like ngõ, ngong. Then move to beginning words like ngõ and ngu. That's how your tongue learns the position step by step. Technique ที่ 3. Breath flow check. Put your hand near your nose and mouth. When you say you should feel air from your nose, not your mouth.
And number 5, record and replay. Use your phone, record yourself saying nga, ngu, ngon. Then compare it with a Thai native speaker. You'll be surprised how quickly you improve.
Wrap up, segment 4. So, today we learned how to feel, form, and fix the sound with 5 easy techniques.
Exactly. The more you relax and smile, the easier it gets. Learning Thai sounds is about confidence, not perfection.
That's right. Every time you say think of it as your smiley sound, soft, natural, and full of Thai charm. Thank you so much for joining us today on Speak Thai Like a Local.
Keep practicing, and next time we'll roll our R's together.
That one's going to be fun.
Bye for now, everyone. Keep learning, keep smiling. Beautiful.